in order to incentivize domestic value addition and to promote Make in India. I propose to make changes in customs and central excise duties in respect of certain items stock. There is a scheme of presumptive income tax for small and medium taxpayers whose turnover is up to rupees 2 crores stock. At present, 8% of their turnover is counted as presumptive income stock. I propose to make this 6% in respect of turnover which is received by non-cash means stock. This benefit will be applicable for transactions undertaken in the current year also stock. I propose to limit the cash expenditure allowable as deduction both for revenue as well as capital expenditure to rupees 10,000 stock. Similarly, the limit of cash donation which can be received by a charitable trust is being reduced from rupees 10,000 to rupees 2,000 stock. The special investigation team set up by the government for black money has suggested that no transaction above rupees 3 lakh should be permitted in cash stock. The government has decided to accept this proposal. Stop suitable amendment to the Income Tax Act is proposed in the Finance Bill for enforcing this decision. Stop to promote cashless transactions. I propose to exempt BCD, excise, CB duty and SAD on mini post card reader for finger print readers, scanners and iris scanners stop. Simultaneously, I also propose to exempt parts and components for manufacture of such devices so as to encourage domestic manufacturing of these devices. Stop para. India is the world's largest democracy. Political parties are as essential ingredient of a multi-party parliamentary democracy. Stop. Even 70 years after independence, the country has not been able to evolve a transparent method of funding political parties which is vital to the system of free and fair elections. Stop. An attempt was made in the past by amending the provisions of the Representation of Peoples Act, the Companies Act and the Income Tax Act to incentivize donations by individuals, partnership firms, HUFs and companies to political parties. Stop. Both the donor and the donee were granted exemption from payment of tax if the accounts were transparently maintained and returns were filed with the competent authorities. Stop. Additionally, a list of donors who contributed more than rupees 20,000 to any party in cash or check is required to be maintained. Stop. The situation has only marginally improved since these provisions were brought into force. Stop. Political parties continue to receive most of their funds through anonymous donations which are shown in cash. Stop. An effort therefore requires to be made to cleanse the system of political funding in India. Stop. I propose the scheme as an effort to cleanse the system